Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to talk about this engineering campus hiring program. So this is an opportunity from Goldman Sachs and they are hiring for two roles. The first one is a new analyst, which is a full-time hiring, and this is for the students who are graduating in year 2022. And the second role is a summer internship. So the students who are graduating in 2023, they can apply for this role, and there will be a summer internship in year 2022, so they can also apply for this particular role. And as you can see, the program type is internship and full time, so basically they are hiring for both of these roles. And the city is Bengaluru and Hyderabad. Now if I talk about this particular engineering campus hiring program, so it is a program to hire the top engineering talent from the country, which means they will hire the engineering students for the role of software engineer. Now let's talk about the program timelines. So the registrations are already started on 22 July and the registration will end on 15th August. And if I talk about the assessment, so there will be an aptitude test on 22nd of August 2021, and once you clear this aptitude test, then you will go to the technical test, which will be conducted in the first week of October, and this is only for the shortlisted students. That means if you clear the aptitude test, then only you will be eligible to take the technical test. Now once you are done with the technical test, the third thing is your interview, and your interview will be conducted in the third week of October 2021, and this interview round will be conducted only for those students who are shortlisted through the aptitude and technical test. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So this program is for all the engineering students across the India, but they should be in their pre-final or final year of graduation, or more clearly they should be graduating in year 2022 and 2023. So the students who are graduating in 2022 can apply for this full-time role, which is new analyst, and the students who are graduating in 2023 can apply for a summer internship. This is all about this engineering campus hiring program. Now let's see how you can apply for this particular thing. So to apply for these two roles, you have two options here. The first one is to apply for the internship, and the second option is to apply for the new analyst, which is a full-time hiring. So you just need to click on this register now, and here this is the login page. So here if you are already registered with Goldman Sachs, then you just need to log in and apply, or in case if you are new to this page, so you just have to click on this register button, and this is the registration page. So here you just need to enter your first name, last name, email, and you need to re-enter your email, and then you have to create a password, and then you need to select on this checkbox and then click on this submit registration. Now once the registration is done, you just need to click on this login, and then you need to enter your details, which is like email and your password, and then you need to click on login. And this way you will be able to apply for this particular engineering hiring program. So this was a quick update for you. I hope you will find this helpful, and if you want to apply for more such opportunities in future, please make sure you have subscribed to this channel, and thanks for watching.